Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to estimate pressurization time when using your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. Here on YouTube, I share Instant Pot stuff with you most every week. I got a question in my inbox from a man named Terry, and he asks, is there a way to estimate the pressurization time leading up to starting the actual cook time? It seems every recipe is different and it can really throw off your estimated time for dinner. Okay, first off, Terry, that can be very frustrating when you think dinner's gonna be in 20 minutes and it's really in an hour. I get that. When you're hungry, you're hungry. And so I'm gonna be teaching you just maybe 3 or 4 things today on how you can kind of estimate how long the pot is gonna take to come to pressure. The first tip that I have as far as how long it will take your pot to come to pressure is the size of the pot. I have an 8-quart pot and then these 2 6-quart pots. Now, the bigger the pot, the longer it's gonna take to come to pressure. And the smaller the pot, it will take less time to come to pressure. I did a little experiment. I put 2 cups of water in the 8-quart and I put 2 cups of water in the 6-quart. Now the 8-quart took 7 minutes to come to pressure. The 6-quart took 6 minutes to come to pressure. So a little bit of difference there, not huge, but yeah, it does take longer when the pot is bigger. The second factor that will affect pressurization time is the temperature of the ingredients that you're putting inside the pot. I did an experiment where I put cold icy water in this pot and the same amount of water, but it was hot, into this pot. The one with hot water in it came to pressure in 5 minutes, whereas the one with cold water came to pressure in 7 minutes. So the temperature of the ingredients that you're putting in your pot is going to affect how fast your pot pressurizes. Kind of going along with this, if you use the saute button to saute some onions or something before adding in the other ingredients for your recipe, that will increase the temperature of the pot, and so your pot will come to pressure quicker when you use that saute button, rather than when you just dump everything into the Instant Pot and push the pressure cook button and go. The third factor which affects the pressurization time is how full the pot is. I put 10 cups of water in this one and 2 cups of water in this one. And the 2 cups came to pressure in about 5 minutes. And the 10 cups of water didn't come to pressure until about 15 and a half minutes. So almost 3 times as long to come to pressure when the pot was super full than when it was just a little bit of liquid on the bottom of the pot. And I believe that the most important factor that you can think about in pressurization time is the fullness of the pot. So if you're cooking a huge pot of soup, it's going to take a long time to come to pressure, especially if you throw in frozen chicken breasts, because then the temperature of the liquid is going to be lower and it's going to take that much more effort for the pot to come to pressure. I hope this helps you, Terry, and anybody else watching today to understand exactly how much time to estimate your pot coming to pressure. I know that can be frustrating at times, but I hope that this helps. And if you have any questions that you'd like to send me, go ahead and email them to me or comment on this video, and I will be glad to see if I can answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.